My money no so me no fear for shoe be gentle and dance straight Olymperos. Flash we a flash to the world we a pose and we not stop dance with Olymperos. My money no so me no fear for shoe be gentle and dance straight Olymperos. Flash we a flash to the world we a pose and we.
Alright, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alicia Amor in the cut. You know how we do. Yeah, it's 2020 officially, and honestly a long time I'm gonna do one of them sit down type of video here, and with this boomerang on my head and my eyebrows already done, and hopefully by the title, because I don't know what I'm gonna title this video, but hopefully by the title you will already know what this video is about. So today I know it's gonna be a sit down video, and I didn't want to just sit here and talk. I felt like that was a little bit boring, or that would have been a little bit boring. So I'm gonna do something for go and watch while I talk to them. And there's a few things that I want to address in this video, and I should have probably written it down, seeing that I have a memory problem. But I know most importantly I want to talk about my YouTube, where I don't post often, and yeah, some of the things I want to always write about in my DM, which I really don't address, because I feel like it would be better to come over here and address it. So another thing that I want to include in this video is me trying some new products. I don't already know, I like to give you guys the cheap stuff, yes, and trust me, I use the high-end stuff too, and I can, you know, but I prefer to come over here and give you guys drugstore products or more affordable products, because I know there is a lot of college students or persons that don't really know about makeup that watches my videos, and I would prefer to recommend affordable stuff to you guys for people that are just trying out makeup and just trying to do makeup by themselves. In a minute, sense we're not gonna buy the dear things them, because first of all I feel like drugstore makeup is the plug right now. They've really improved on the quality of their products, so nothing wrong with using drugstore makeup. You don't have to use the Fenty. You can just get some drugstore shit and apply that shit and get your shit popping like any other high-end makeup would. I know some of the makeup that I'm gonna be featuring in today's video, or the makeup brands, are definitely going to be Elf, and as you can see, these are still in package because I haven't really tried them yet. This is gonna also be me trying new products, because a lot of these products are new to me, so I'm definitely gonna tell you guys how I feel about them while I'm going through this video. So yeah, when I can't tell, I got new makeup. It's 2020, why not? Yeah, so this video is definitely gonna include a lot of Elf products and Forever 21 and Wet n Wild, which is a brand I'm quite used to. Elf, on the other hand, I'm not really, and you know what, let me just start the makeup while I talk here. What should I start with? I think I'm gonna start with my primer. Why not? Before I get into the makeup, Elf, on the other hand, I'm quite used to the brand, but I always felt like I didn't want to really use it back in the day. There was a brush that I was obsessed with that I constantly bought, but like foundation and them things, I never really trust it, so I never really buy it, I'm not gonna lie. But I've watched a few reviews and of people that have used Elf products, and surprisingly people like it. So this primer is from Forever 21 and I've used it already. I tried it when I got it. I pulled it out of the package and I was just about to do my makeup, so I did apply it to my face, but honestly I don't remember how it was. I don't remember being greasy for that day though, so maybe it worked. So it's primer based pure le versage, you know them something there, and it says to be hydrating, and it is from Forever 21. Y'all didn't know that Forever 21 make makeup products, right? Well, they do. They have their own thing. This is what the I hate to put shit on that hand, but anyways, this is what the consistency of it looks like. It's very white, creamy, look like Siemens and them thing there. So definitely always start by priming your face. Feels very feels very liquidy. Well, it is liquid, but you know, it feels very yeah, thin, you know, that thin liquid type stuff. And yes guys, I already did my brows, and don't watch the blemishes in my face. I've been going through a lot with my face lately, which this is gonna be a good video too for that, but we're not gonna discuss that in this video. I'll discuss that in another video, because I've been using like a few products to kind of just like help with that. And I don't know what makeup look I'm going for, considering I have pink hair. I'm not gonna be very loud. I'm also gonna apply another primer to my face, guys. I've been dying to try this. It is the e.l.f. Illuminating face primer. I've seen a few reviews on this and I've been dying to try it, so I got it for myself. And I believe that I just want my face to be a little glowy today, so that's the reason why I'm gonna be using this. And this is the I did it again. Okay, so this is the consistency of that, and the difference with this primer, it just has a little bit of glow in it, which I probably should have mixed it with the foundation, but I don't like to do that. So yeah, and this is the packaging that the primer came in from, Forever 21. Anyway guys, while I get this in my face, let's talk a little bit about my YouTube channel. I think I made a video already about my YouTube channel and how I felt about it, but really and truly this is kind of different. I feel like I've grown and I've changed a bit, and that is the reason why I haven't been uploading a lot of videos, because there is a lot that I want to change on my channel. I really wanted to change the direction of my channel, and I really didn't know how to go by doing that. So a lot of the times it leaves me confused. I'm gonna know what to put out. Like, I know what I want to put out, but I don't want to do it because I'm just like, initially how I started my channel, with people being subscribed to me because of vlogs. So a lot of you are kind of used to me vlogging, showing you my daily life and stuff like that. But the truth of the matter is, guys, I kind of have outgrown vlogging. I really don't like to put my life out there like that anymore. One of the reasons for that is because when I used to vlog, there were people telling me exactly where I lived, which was quite crazy. And I'm not gonna blame anybody for that, because it was me putting myself out there, and I guess I wasn't being careful enough, and so there were people online telling me they knew where I live, which was crazy, which was weird. Anyway, and also I've grown a newfound love for beauty, so it's basically that I want to change my channel into more of a beauty related channel. But a lot of the persons that were subscribed to my channel really used to me with doing vlogs. A lot of males were subscribed to my channel too, and you know, males not gonna sit down and watch makeup videos. So that's what I really want to talk about, guys. I really want to do more hair and makeup related stuff, more beauty related stuff on my channel, and I just want you guys to get used to that. So there's a few people here that are subscribed to me because of beauty related content that I've posted on my channel. So hi guys, y'all are the right target for this channel at this point. And for those that have been subscribed to me because of my vlogs, I'm very sorry. I'm not saying that I won't be posting vlogs, I'm just saying that I'm really not into it anymore, so there will not be a lot of that kind of content on my channel anymore. I'm just really into beauty related stuff, hopefully challenges and tags and stuff like that, maybe pranks in the future. You never know where we're going with it, but for now I'm not in the vlogging thing. I'm not telling a lie. Anyways, let's keep it going. I'm gonna be trying the e.l.f. HD powder, and I'm gonna be doing something that I see my friend Jackie Aina doing on her channel. She is death on applying powder over her face before she gets her foundation on, and I've never tried that before, so I'm gonna try it in this particular video. And you guys can see I'm rocking my pink hair. The last time I brought this hair on my channel, I really did a horrible job. I was in such a rush, I just dropped it on my head top, never really did nothing fancy to it. That's that video where I showed you guys how I dyed it. If you've not checked out that video, go ahead. That's the last video that I posted before this. Link will be in the description box. Go ahead and check it out. So I'm gonna be doing this, and I'm going to be using the HD powder to do it. So let's see. So basically what she does is apply the powder over her face, and she is, I don't know, she really believes that it helps to keep the foundation on her face a lot longer. Maybe this wasn't the right powder to use, because this elf powder is said to be illuminating. Well, this is an illuminating look, so it might work. It says high definition loose powder creates soft focus effect on the skin, helps mask fine lines and imperfections for radiant looking skin. Well, this might help, because I do have problems here when I apply my makeup a lot. Of the times my frown lines is seeping through, so maybe this will help, girl. You never know. And I'm about that luminous look today. I'm also gonna be doing something different. Something I don't usually do is apply my foundation first, but I'm gonna be doing that today. I'm gonna definitely be doing that today. I'm going to definitely apply my foundation first. I'm gonna also add a little bit of my Milani powder over that, just in case. And I'm not gonna lie, I do not like this. I like the Milani powder. It's really good, but I honestly don't like that I choose the warm as my shade. It's very dark, so if you guys see me showing up real dark lately, it's because I've been using this powder, and I don't know why I haven't gone to change the shade. Lazy much, I guess, but I don't really love it. I don't really love it at all. I'm not in love with it. It makes me dark. So y'all know I'm going to be using my favorito foundation, and that is the Revlon 24-hour Colorstay foundation. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I did try to get the elf skin, I don't know if you know the name of it, that foundation that helps with skincare from elf. I did try to get that foundation simply because I'm breaking out, and I felt like for this video this would have worked, but unfortunately I didn't. So I'm going to go with my Revlon, which is my favorite foundation, my favorite drugstore foundation, don't get me wrong, and I don't have any other drugstore foundation at this point, so I'm definitely gonna be using that. Let's see. By the way, I love how my face looked after applying that Illuminous powder. My face is looking very glowy. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I'm glowing, guys. I am glowing. And if y'all are old subscribers, then you would definitely know how I got this scar. It was while doing another makeup video, and I went to curl my hair, and then I ended up with that, and it just never leaves. I need to get some bleaching cream and bleach it out, honestly. That's really what I need to do. I need to get some bleaching cream and bleach it out. But yes, let me get back to talking about my channel. Yeah, let me ease this up a bit. And now that I've gotten that off my chest, maybe it will be easier for me now to come up on here and just do some makeup looks, because that's what I'm into. That is what I'm into. I'm not so, I mean, I used to post beauty content, but I realized that whenever I posted makeup videos, my views were always lower than when I posted vlogs. I don't know, people just like tapping into my life. I guess they like to see what I'm doing and stuff like that, and a lot of people like, give the people what they want. I know, but I really don't want to give you guys my vlogs. Half the times I don't like people to know what I'm doing anyway, and I don't like people to know who I know anyways, and I know that YouTube is overly saturated with people over here doing makeup, but the truth of the matter is I do YouTube because I like it. I'm over here making a mess of my tie head. I do YouTube because it is something that I have a passion for. I don't really care. I'm not gonna say, I'd be lying if I say I don't care about views and stuff, but it's not like all that to me. It's not like something that I sit and think about, like how much persons are watching my video and blah 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 blah. It's really something that it's like a hobby almost. I do it for fun. I like to just sit down and create, and then go edit, and then post, and then whoever watches. I really don't, I'm not gonna say I don't take it that seriously, but I basically just do YouTube for fun. It's not like I'm going head over crazy about who watches and how many views and blah 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 blah. And I've been on YouTube for about 2 years, 3 years, and if I was really worried about that, I would have stopped doing YouTube a long time now, because I don't get all those thousands and thousands of views like most YouTubers. So if it was that I was worried about that shit, I really and truly would have given up on this shit a long time ago. So if you guys are not subscribed to my Vivo channel, please go over there and subscribe to Alicia Amor Vivo. And also I have another YouTube channel which I will be uploading my music content as well. It's called Alicia Amor Radio. Now on that YouTube channel, I've uploaded my first single for the year of 2020. It's called Shubo Money, so please go over there and check it out. It's a really nice party bop. It's a really nice song, you know, when you get girls, the girls night out and y'all are partying and stuff, when you can listen to it, vibe to it, dance to it. And don't be afraid to tag me. Don't be afraid to repost and tag me and let me see you guys vibing to my song and all of that. Yeah. Oh, which brings me to another thing. My Instagram recently got hacked, and it's obviously by a hater. It wasn't by somebody that was trying to hack my Instagram to resell it or whatever, because the person that hacked my Instagram unfortunately deleted my pictures and deleted the entire thing. I don't know which hated ass or did that, but whoever did that is definitely not going to stop my shine for 2020. I created a whole new Instagram, guys, so you can go over there and follow me. It is Alicia Amor _. I'm definitely gonna lay it across the screen right here, and you can go in my description box after you completed watching this video, liking and subscribing to the channel, and go follow me on my Instagram. I've been posting a lot on that Instagram anyways. Yeah, and I don't really care for the person that did that. I have my suspicions, which I won't say over here, but I hope you got a belly full. If you're over here watching this video too, boo, I hope you got a belly full from doing that. I hope it did you something great for the 2020. Anywho, guys, also my first video is gonna be released very, very soon, so make sure that you are subscribed so you can catch up on that. Now if y'all are wondering why I'm still patting my face, I really like to pat in my foundation, guys, because that's the first mistake a lot of people make when they're applying foundation. They do not spend enough time patting it in, so it ends up looking like a mask on your face, which is something that I do not want at this point. I interrupt this video to go for my Blistex because my lips is dry. One moment. Yeah, need this, and this is life. I probably will apply a little bit more foundation, but not right now. I'm going to get into my eyeshadow. That's what I'm gonna get into. And the eyeshadow of choice today is gonna be this eyeshadow from Forever 21. I wanted to test out the Forever 21 makeup, you know. I wanted to see if it was worth it, and this is the first time I'm gonna ever use a eyeshadow palette or any form of makeup product from Forever 21. No, I'm lying. I did try some lip glosses a while back, yeah, but I don't remember what that was like. It was just lip gloss. So I'm gonna be trying their eyeshadow today, and this eyeshadow, it doesn't really have a name. It just says Eyeshadow Palette on the front, and it comes with some of my favorite colors, like all these earthy tones and browns and nudes and golds, and it's a perfect, I guess, palette for anybody that don't like to try bright colors. This is perfect, and it comes with also a highlight shade up there, gold, and it has a few mattes in it as well. So let's see. I think I want to try this shimmery pink one up there. So see that I'm wearing pink here, I'm gonna do something slight pinkish. Let me just first swatch it and see what it looks like on the back of my hands. Ooh, not bad, not bad, not bad. Let me go and swatch the other one beside it and see what it looks like too. Well, I'm really bad at swatching, so swatch here, swatch here. The pigment is not bad, so make me try it. Make me try it. Do I need to set my eyes? No, I'm not even gonna do that because I'm using browns, and you know, I don't think I'm not gonna do any cut crease or anything like that. Try to find a brush. Well, first I'm gonna use one of these transition colors right in here. Let's use this little reddish one. A little dusty. Little Mary on a dusty road. Is that the song? And guys, excuse my botched nails. I haven't done my nails in a long time, but because them be quite botchy. I mean, I did them the last time, and I don't know, them somehow bust up, so I never bother try to do them for the whole holiday. I'm contemplating going to do them now very soon, because I feel like I'm due for a nails date and stuff, and I wasn't really going out like that anyway, so I really didn't feel like I had to go put nails on, because something about me and nails, whenever I put on nails, by the time they're ready to come off, they just bust my fingernails right up. So I wasn't really interested in that. And surprisingly enough, over the holidays I didn't really do much. I didn't really go anywhere. I had all these bomb outfits just laying out waiting for me to pop my body into them, but that never worked out. By choice, I just felt like 2020 was approaching, and I really wanted to relax my mind and get ready for what was to come. You know, I never really wanted to be out there just partying and stuff. I really wanted to relax. By the way, how are you guys doing for 2020? How is the 2020 treating you guys? What have you been doing? Have any of you done any visionary board or goal plan for 2020? Because trust me, that is necessary. I don't care who don't believe in that stuff works. Writing down your goals for the new year, and you don't really have to wait on the new year to get things popping, but it's always good to just have a general idea of what you want to accomplish for the new year, you know, or for the whole year, or for your whole entire life. It's always good to have a plan. Once you have a plan, you can start figuring out how you're going to execute these plans and get stuff going. You know, it's always good to do that, and I find that goal plans and visionary boards, they do work. And honestly, I also find that I'm liking this eyeshadow. It's not bad at all. I'm not getting any fallout, and it is transitioning quite well over my eyes. Ooh, and I'm not really thinking about doing any cut crease or anything like that for this look, guys. I really just want something simple and easygoing. So I definitely will recommend trying out this Forever 21 eyeshadow palette, because I absolutely love how this has transitioned on my eyes. So I really don't think it's bad at all. For those of you who have ever doubted that the Forever 21 makeup works, true testimony, it does work. I like it. I actually like it. I really like it. Oh, I like it. I really like it. Spend the time and blend. Just blend. I know a lot of y'all don't want to do that because it's very time consuming, but that is really the way to get your makeup to looking good. Okay, I'm kind of over the whole cut crease thing anyway, even though, you know, for some looks you need to kind of do that. But what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be using this setting spray, which I think is also from Forever. Yes, this setting spray is also from Forever 21. Ain't it cute? Ain't it cute? It's just cute. cute. I really love the pink. Yeah, and it matches my hair and everything. It matches the whole vibe of this video, so it's perfect for today's video. I'm gonna be using that, and I'm just gonna be spraying my brush like that. Just getting the stay right there. Okay, I'm just gonna be getting the brush a little bit wet, you know, so that it can pick up the pigment a little bit better. And I'm gonna be using this color up here that I told you guys I'm gonna be using at first, and I'm just gonna drop it right here. Wow, I like it. I'm kind of like mimicking a cut crease, but it's not really a cut crease, if you know what I'm saying. Wow, wow. Forever 21, you are not bad at all. Why did I ever doubt that you were good? Why did I ever doubt that you could ever give me a nice makeup look? Wow. What? I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna stop saying wow. I'm gonna stop saying wow, but this is really nice. This, guys, I know you can see it. I know you can see it. I know. I'm going to go ahead and just kind of spray it again. I want to keep that brush wet so it can pick up the pigment. Yes, so I'm gonna spray it one more time, and I'm gonna go ahead and dip in that pigment again. I know, like, wow, wow, I like it. I like it. Wow, amazing. I'm gonna do that on the other side. Nothing too fussy over here, just testing these makeup to see how I like them. You guys can just come over here and check out my vibe from time to time, you know. And for the guys that have been following me all over the years and realizing that I'm transitioning into something else, people grow and people change, you know. It's a part of life. I can't help it. I am who I am. I feel how I feel, and I gotta do what is right with the heart, you know. Anyway, I gotta say also, I am very proud of a lot of these YouTubers that have been holding it down for so long. Petite is still over here doing her thing, and also a few of my favorite Instagram influencers have also started YouTube, like Tanania. Big up yourself, girl, and she's been doing absolutely amazing. If y'all do not follow Tanania or watch her, get used to her channel. She do lots of fun videos and stuff like that. I see Quiet Perry and Rushcam doing their thing, taking the YouTube thing serious, and a lot of other persons over here diving on YouTube and, you know, getting in the mix and, you know, doing them thing. And I'm absolutely proud to see that there's so much more Jamaicans that are, you know, involving themselves in this YouTube thing and doing absolutely wonderful. You know, that is amazing. Big them up, big them up. Just trying to blend out the top of what I just did so it don't look so rough. I see it look rough up there, so yeah, I'm just try smooth it out, because it's not a cut crease look, so it will have the little rough top there up there. So but you don't know, you don't know. Carry it up, carry it up, carry it up. And I think that's about it. I think that is all I want to do for this look. I might add something else. Should I add something else? Yeah, I might just add a little bit of this. It's like a little highlight color. Not bad. I'm gonna add it over here, and then I'm gonna blend it out. I do my makeup weird, you know, guys. I do my makeup very weird. Yeah, okay, that's perfect. And then I'm gonna use this brush right here to kind of just blend it out so it don't look so wide. and powdery, and it blends in with the other one. Okay, cool. I'm absolutely loving the palette, guys. And if you're a beginner with makeup, or if you're somebody that don't like if you're somebody that doesn't like bright colors, this is definitely a good palette to try. You know, it have a little bit of shimmer, a little bit of matte, a little bit of highlight, a little bit of brown. It also has a black, which I'll probably use this again in another video and create a look using this black. It's awesome. I feel like it's fully compact for somebody that is very simple on their makeup. You can get a glam look, you can get a daytime look, you can get a smoky look from this palette. Yeah, I really believe that this palette is definitely worth it, and it transitions beautifully on my eyes. And as you guys can see, I never even used any primer underneath, so it just on my bare eyes, it just transitioned quite beautifully. So one up Forever 21 for this eyeshadow palette. What am I gonna do next? Okay, I feel like I've gotten into the highlighting portion of my face, and I'm gonna be trying this Wet n Wild photo focus correcting palette. It has a lot of different things in there which I probably will not be using. It has the green, which is said to be used on anything red, like zits, flourishes, blemishes, you name it. The white brightens any color, so I guess I could have used the white over my eyes and put the eyeshadow over it, and it would have just made it pop more. I'll try that in another video. And it says the yellow, you can use it to cancel out any unwanted purple spots. I'm gonna use the yellow to do my highlight, because I ran out of highlighting stuff. I ran out of, what do you call that thing, the shade that I used to highlight my eyes. Yeah, I ran out of that, and I really didn't have time to go and get it to do this video. So I'm gonna be trying something with this Wet n Wild yellow thing. I'm gonna be trying it as a highlighter today, and I'm gonna see how that works for me. I'm currently seeking a brush to wipe it in. Let me try this. Oh my god. Okay, Wet n Wild highlighter. Okay, I see you. But it is not as thick as I would have wanted it to be, but this look is very simple, so it not for really so thick. I just want something for brighten up my under eyes at this point. So that's what that's giving me, and I'm glad for that. You know what I love about Wet n Wild products? It always comes with instructions, either on the packaging or on the back of the makeup. So it is definitely perfect for persons that are beginners at makeup and don't really know what they're doing. There's always going to be some sort of instruction in the packaging or on the packaging of the makeup, like this right here, you know. And did I use another Wet n Wild product that I could show you guys an example? There's always gonna be instructions on how to use their product, and I feel like Wet n Wild definitely makes makeup for beginners, because they are really good at highlighting that fact. I probably should have put on a little bit more foundation, you know, to kind of just like set the face, set it and beat it and make it look like a dahlia. So but I already applied this highlighting thing, so I guess I can't do that anymore. But not to worry, the face is gonna be the same way. So I'm gonna go ahead with this brush, and I'm gonna spray a little bit more of that Forever 21 setting spray onto the brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and just beat it out, you know, just beat out that highlight into my face. And if y'all been watching me for a long time, y'all know I don't really like to highlight all of my face. Just my under eyes is what I'm really concerned about. I'm not one of those persons that like to like junk my face with makeup. It may seem like that when I wear makeup is because I have really good skin that sucks the makeup in. Well, I don't have really good skin. I have blemish prone skin sometimes, but if you know what I mean. I don't really have like bumps and stuff on my face. It's mostly spots, so my face just sucks in the makeup, so I don't really have to cape my face. Or some people that likes to put on the highlight and put it on again and put it on again and again and again. I don't know what they're trying to highlight, but I don't really need to do that all the time. There's times when I want to have that really dulled up look, and I just do it. And I don't think I do it because it does anything great to me. I feel like I do it because I always see people doing it, and that's just me being honest. Yeah, so I'm blending that in. Actually, it didn't do too bad. Actually, it didn't do too bad. I mean, it could have been better. Honestly, could have been better. I'm not gonna lie. I may have to put a little bit more on this because I feel like me adding the spray on the brush kind of just took away all of the highlight, and I don't feel like my under eyes are highlighted. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit more of that highlight, but just looking at it in the camera, it don't look bad, so I don't even feel like I have to do that again. I don't feel like I have to do it again, you know. I don't feel like I have to do it again, but let's see. I'm gonna put a little bit back in my frown line because, you know, when the makeup starts going cold turkey, that's where it always seeps through. And so that's the only reason why I'm gonna add a little bit more there. Yeah, and then I'm gonna go right in and blend that out. I want you guys to tell me how your 2020 have been so far. What are some of the plans that you guys have? Another thing is, guys, why is it that you guys are so afraid of engaging with me? I'm always over here talking, begging you guys to leave comment and talk to me. That is encouraging, you know. When you guys leave comments and stuff, it's really encouraging. It makes me feel like you guys are rocking with me, you guys are into what I'm doing, you guys are into what I'm saying, and it makes me want to just go ahead and shoot another video right away because I'm like, yeah, these people are talking to me. I feel like I have friends, you know. But when I just do a video and you guys might like it and you guys might watch it, I see the views and I see you guys, you know, liking and stuff, but I don't see you guys commenting. I don't know where to go next sometimes, you know. I don't know if I'm doing the right thing sometimes, and you gotta understand, YouTube is so complicated. It's like you need encouragement to go on some days, you know. So don't be afraid to talk to your girl, man. One thing I'd like to know is some of the videos that you would like to see from me. Please don't say vlogs. Please don't say vlogs. I know a lot of you are vlog watchers over here, but please don't say vlogs. I think vlogs on my channel now will just be like a random thing. If it does happen, it will just be random. I'm not sure if that's giving me kind of like a white cast. You guys can tell me if it does in the comment section. I don't know. I don't know, but so far so good. Okay, so I'm going to now set my face, and I'm going to be using another Wet n Wild product. As you can see, I haven't even opened it out of the package. This is a Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette contour, and I did say I want this video to be glowy, so, or not video, I did say I want this look to kind of just be glowing and stuff. And just exactly what I was telling you before about Wet n Wild products, they always come with instructions on how to use them if you're a beginner and you do not have a clue. And if the packaging gets lost and you can't remember, it's always on the back of the product as well, the packaging of the product as well. And that's something that I definitely love about Wet n Wild products. So if you're a beginner, definitely try out Wet n Wild products. Not only do they help you to use the products are also very good, and they're always very affordable. Now this is a highlight and contour palette. This one is the highlight, this one is the contour, and I'm gonna go ahead and highlight under my eyes with this contouring palette. I'm gonna use 2 highlights under my eyes actually. I probably should have used this one last and use that one first. I'm gonna be using my banana powder. I'm sorry, that's exactly what I'm gonna be doing, mixing it with, but I'm gonna use this first just to see how it is looking. So far, not bad. And if you guys don't know, I like to highlight my face and then go in and contour after. It's just something I do. I know some people like to put the contour there and the highlight there and that. I don't really do it like that. I think I do it sometimes, but most of the times I like to highlight my face and then I go in with the contour. Oh, and as I blend this out, guys, if you've not subscribed to my channel, just click that red button. Help me to get my subscribers up, you know, because I know a lot of you watch and y'all don't subscribe. Y'all don't even like the video. Even if you like it, let me know that you like the video by liking and by commenting and by subscribing. Big up to all of my new subscribers then, by the way. Big up to you all. Welcome to my Amor family. Y'all know Amor is this crazy girl that does music and she likes makeup, and she used to do fun vlogs. She still does fun vlogs, you know, but she just don't do it as often anymore as most of my current subscribers would like. But big up to the ones that are here to see me slay a face and beat a face, you know, and keep the shit popping and stuff. Love this, love this. It blends out perfectly. And remember, guys, I haven't even applied powder to my face yet, you know. This is just highlighting, keeping it simple and everything, using nothing but drugstore products. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit of my banana powder. Oh my god, I think I poured out too much. The reason why I'm gonna go in with the banana powder is because it's more yellow, which is better for my skin tone. I feel like that highlighting powder, it's okay, but I like when my under eyes just have that yellowness under it. So I'm definitely gonna apply the banana powder, the sachet banana powder, to get that, just to have it more blend in with my skin tone. That one is a little bit too white, and that's not gonna work for me. It can work under it or over it, but definitely it can't be the final touch, if you know what I mean, or if you get what I'm saying. And I'm gonna kind of just leave this here just for a little bit so it can bake. I don't really like baking though, you know. I'm not gonna lie, I don't like to bake. I just like to put my powder on my face and just brush it off right away. But the reason why I'm gonna be leaving that there is so I can contour. And I want you guys to tell me, do you guys like powder contour, or do you guys like creamy contour, or do you guys mix it? I mix it. I like to add a little bit of cream and then I dab it out, and then I blend it with some powder contour. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. Just hold on. If you're a true Amor subscriber, then you know this would not be a video without your girl drinking a juice or having some kind of juice. Well, today I'm drinking a juice box, and it's from VS Flash, free promo, whatever. Honestly, this is my daughter's juice. I'm gonna start drinking. I'm thirsty. I don't know who else gets thirsty while doing their makeup. I do. So I'm gonna now contour, and I'm gonna be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in the shade Toast. I don't know, this I use this before, this shade, and I don't really feel like it comes out exactly how I want it to. I hate when that happens. I don't really feel like it comes out exactly how I want it to, but never fear, because that's why I'm gonna add a little powder to it. I don't like when I'm using the LA Girl concealers and I don't like if it's there for too long and you have not used it, the water settles in and somehow just runs down your face. Quite ridiculous. But anyway, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna blend that out using this brush. And that's why I didn't really totally blend out the highlight up there, because I know I wanted to add a little bit of concealer and I wanted to blend it in with the contouring powder that I'm going to use next on my face. I just know at the end of this, my face better be looking flawless or properly done. Oh, because nothing, I don't know if it's flawless is the word that I'm looking for, but I don't know what I say, you know. So, but I think my vein and them thing there. Yeah, tricks. Yeah, tricks. Yeah. Oh, another thing, guys, I hear everybody talking about that Netflix movie Fall from Grace. If you've watched it, tell me in the comment below what you think of it. Or maybe a lot of people here haven't watched it yet, so maybe y'all are gonna ruin it for others. So no, nobody tell me how it going in the comment section. I go watch it for myself. I want to know if it is just overrated or if it's really a good movie, even though I feel like it's a good movie because so much people can't tell a lie. You know, I haven't gotten to watching it yet, but I'm definitely gonna try and do it today. I wasn't feeling good over the weekend, so that's part of the reason why I never watched it. But I feel like maybe after this video, I'm definitely gonna go ahead and watch Fall from Grace. I'm gonna be trying the contour color in this palette, and I hope to God it don't give me like that ashy kind of look, because I hope to God it doesn't. Let's see what it gives me. Let's see. Oh, just what I didn't want. Well, what it does, it might not be so bad. It kind of just make the contour not look so dark. Yeah, probably it's not so bad. Not so sure about it, but it, as I say, it kind of make the contour not so dark. But I don't like the grayish kind of thing that is giving me, and this is probably based on my complexion. I'm dark, but I'm not so dark, you know, so maybe that is the problem. So what I'm gonna do is go in back with a little bit of the banana powder. I'm gonna put a little bit under her, you know, catch the vibe. I'm gonna put a little bit under her too, you know, catch the vibe. Put a little bit this so, and tap back a little bit of that so. Yeah, and then I'm gonna just blend out all of this action that's going on. Don't worry, it will come together. It will come together. Using my big fluffy brush. Now it's time to blend. Just blend everything out. Blend everything in and out. Swagalicious, so swagalicious. Swagalicious, so swagalicious. And my hair is messing up, which is the thing that I hate about blonde hair. When the makeup gets into it, it's a total mess. But never fear, alcohol is here. Alright, I'm gonna be using this Forever 21 eyeliner pencil. You see, Forever 21 is going on with itself. It even got pencils and stuff. And what I failed to mention is that this came with this, so it's kind of like a set. And this pencil is really good. I tried it before and I can tell you it's really pigmented and oh no, I didn't want to use it up there, but since I already start, let me just finish that. But that's not where I wanted to use it. That's my bad. I really wanted to use it under here. Look at that. Effortlessly. It's one of those little windy pencils like the MAC. Yeah, I'm definitely like it. It's very black, and I like to go very black under my eyes at times. So if you're thinking about a very black windy pencil that is affordable, can definitely try the Forever 21 stuff. So people know Forever 21 for clothes and shoes and all of that, but I bet y'all didn't know that these people had really good makeup products. Look at my under eyes, very black. So I'm gonna go in with my powder, and I'm gonna be using the Milani powder in warm. As I told you guys, beware, this makes my face a little bit dark, but my day I use it same way until I go pick up a new powder, you know. And I'm gonna brush it a little bit over my eyes over there. Y'all know the drift already. I like to do that. Here, y'all probably wonder why I highlight and contour if I still go over my entire face with the powder. It's because it's what I do. That's how I do my makeup. Everybody have their different ways of doing their stuff. I have mine and you have yours. And I just dab it or press it in like this. I just press it in my face same way too, you know. I haven't yet contoured my nose, which is, it's optional for me. It's very optional. It's not something that I do all the time. It depends on how I feel. I feel like doing it today though. I feel like doing it, and I feel like this is the perfect thing to use, the Wet n Wild contour palette. I'm gonna use it to do it, and I'm gonna use this brush because I don't really want it to be too dark. I feel like that's why I'm gonna use it, you know. Yeah, don't want it to be too dark. So here we go, down the nose. It actually feel like this is not even the right thing to use because it matches my skin tone. So I'm gonna go in with something else. Definitely can't use that to contour my nose. It's not gonna work out. I'm gonna use this one. Where's that brush? And just, yeah, that's better. Much better. Much better. Oh, this one is a little bit more dense, so I'm gonna be using this one instead to just brush that out. See, I don't really have a particular order in which I do anything. I just pick up the stuff and do what I know is, you know. I don't have a particular step to how I apply my makeup, and I really want to make sure that I rub out the contour, because you know sometimes people have their makeup and them face, you can definitely see the contour different from the highlight because it's not blended properly. That's what I'm talking about, guys. It's very important to blend your makeup. Spend time and blend that shit out because it makes sense. I'm going to go back into my color correcting palette, and I'm gonna use, for the first time in a long time, I'm gonna put some color down the middle of my nose. I feel like I just want to do a little highlighting of the nose today in a different way that I've done in a long time. I'm gonna use that same brush and just tap into it lightly. Just tap into it lightly. Yeah. So far, so good. I'm gonna take a little minute and sip from my juice box, and I'm going to pop my lashes on off camera and then get back to you guys. Alright guys, so I have popped my lashes on off camera, and I'm gonna tell you about the lashes that I'm using. It is this lash. God no, I ran out of lashes and I asked my aunt to take me lashes, and she got me these. She said she got it from a wholesale, obviously by the name ZZU. It's some Chinese shit. It says it's 005D mink here. I don't know where she gets it, but it honestly looks really good. Honestly, I really like it. I have no problems with it. It don't look synthetic, it don't look plastic. I don't even think it is. It's really good mink looking lashes. I've also removed my tie head, so that should tell you guys that I'm approaching the end of the video. I don't know what to do with my lips. I think I'm gonna go a little bit bold with my lips. I'm gonna start by lining it with this NYX brown pencil here. Line my lips with this brown, but then I realized that I had this elf matte lip color, which is probably what I'm going to use today. It says a sharpener is included in it, but I don't see any. It is in the shade Wine. I'm gonna go a little bit bold on the lips, considering that I did my makeup very simple. So let's go. Let's see what this has to offer us. And it's been a while guys since I have even worn any kind of lip color on my lip. I've just been loving lip glosses lately, so this is kind of different. The pencil is feeling very soft on my lips, and the color is coming off really good. So I may go ahead and try some more of these elf lip colors. It's absolutely amazing. I like it. Wow, this is nice. I think what I'm gonna do, seeing that I do have a red lip, oh, it's one of those windy stuff too, so you wind up and you wind down. I feel like this is really nice. I'm gonna clean that up with a little bit of foundation. You can use like highlighting color as well to do that. I love this, honestly, I do. So this is very matte, and you probably could put a lip topper over it. I'm going to be using this regular lip gloss from Kiss. Just gonna be adding a little bit of that over it, just right there. I don't want it to be too glossy. Yeah, I'm absolutely loving this, guys. So now I'm gonna go and set my face. I'm gonna now set my face with my Forever 21 setting spray. Yeah, that's how we go to work. And I did a lot of that because now I'm going to go in and highlight my face. And I've been liking highlighting my face while it's a little bit wet with the setting spray. That kind of helps the glow to glide on. And I'm gonna be using my Wet n Wild Baked Illuminating highlighting thing. Oh my god, I just dry down a little bit. Perfect, since I've been using Wet n Wild products throughout this video, it makes a lot of sense to do that. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. Just like to put it on the apples of my cheeks, and let me go on to the other side before it dries down, so I won't have to do it again. Look at that, guys. Woo! I did say I want this video to be glowy, so right there, right there, right there. And I'm just gonna put a little bit over my nose right there. because my forehead is still a little bit damp. I think I overdid it with the setting spray, honestly, but look at that glow. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Woo! I feel like a pin-up doll. Going in with my big powder brush, and I'm just gonna dab over that highlight just so it can set into my face. Wow. So I feel like this is the finished look, guys. Just gonna pull my hair out now. I also use this Forever 21 gel eyeliner. It just has eyeliner written on it, but I use it to create my wing, if you can see it. And I'm just gonna go in and add my mascara. And this mascara I think is from Wet n Wild. It's called Lash Renegade. Gonna just use that to complete the look. I really like this mascara too. It has like a ball point at the end, which makes it so easy for you to reach the bottom lashes. I think they made this for the bottom lashes. I kind of messed up my eye look a little bit, but that's okay. That's okay. I keep saying that's okay because it's not okay, but then what can I do? And y'all already know what my hair looks like. Nice and pink. No, I was gonna come over here and talk about my 2019 and all of that, but like most people, guys, my 2019 was very, very rough. I went through a lot, and the greatest thing about 2019 is that I overcame all the obstacles that came before me, and I made it to 2020. Another year, another chance to just do things the right way, to start over, you know, and just improve, continue to improve myself. There's nothing different about 2020. I'm still on a journey of improving myself, and that is exactly what I've set out to do for 2020. I also have been loving my hair, even though I feel like I'm gonna be getting rid of this color very, very soon. I get bored easily, so I like to change my hair color. I don't know, so I probably will be reading this color soon. You guys can tell me what color you would like to see me try next in the comment section. Definitely looking forward to your suggestions, looking forward to your comments. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys have been having a really good 2020 so far. Remember to jot down your goals or your plans for 2020. It makes going through the year a little bit easier. Set a goal, set a plan, and just go for it. Let nothing stop you. Let nobody deter you. Let nobody discourage you. It's all possible. You just have to believe in yourself, and you just have to believe enough that you can do it, and just put the work out and go for it, and 2020 can be yours. I want you guys to see how long and fluffy my hair is. I gotta go all the way out here. Yes, I'm looking forward to growing my channel this year. I say that every year, but it's not about the year for me. It's really about personal growth and development. I'm on this path of developing and growing and becoming better for myself. That is exactly what I am doing. And now that I told you guys the plans that I really have for my channel, and told you guys that I want to do more beauty related stuff, hair and makeup, I feel more comfortable to come over here and do more content. I know it's gonna be a bummer for a lot of you guys that like to watch my vlogs, but as I stated earlier, I'm not really into that kind of content anymore. You'll get it occasionally, but it's not something that I'm basing my channel around anymore. So I don't know, for those of you who want to stay here and rock with me for my beauty stuff and tags and maybe challenges and maybe pranks in the future, kudos, and I welcome new subscribers as well. But I'm not really planning on doing so much more vlogs anymore, guys. And I know a lot of you guys subscribe to me because you enjoyed my vlogs, but that's really not the type of thing I'm into at this point. Maybe I'll make a separate channel for vlogs, and I'll give you guys vlogs on there occasionally. But for right now, I want to work on this channel that I've had for so long, and I really want to do something that I'm passionate about, and that is makeup and hair and fun stuff. you know, fun stuff. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next one. Remember to leave your likes if you enjoyed this video, and also subscribe to my channel if you have not yet done so. Go over to Alicia Amor Radio and listen to my new single that I just released on that channel as well, and make sure you subscribe to my Vivo channel as well, Alicia Amor Vivo. My new video, Mama Don't Cry, is coming out soon as well, so you guys can look out for that, and a whole bunch of crazy new things for the year 2020. I love you guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this makeup look. And definitely don't be afraid to tell me what other videos you would like to see me do in the comment section. I'm looking forward to you guys' comment. See you guys in my next video. Love you, mi amors. I'm feeling like a black Barbie. I'm feeling like a pinup doll. I'm feeling like, ooh, and I'll never get over you until I find something new. Ooh, 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 ooh.